Hey guys, I hope that you guys are having a great day. Today I'm gonna be doing a little haul, just makeup haul, a little bit of mix and stuff like that. I always make hauls in my videos on my channel recently. I don't know why, but hopefully the hauls are not boring you guys. I'm also gonna do a lot of like swatches on these later on and on them. I know I have like a lot of makeup that I bought that I haven't even used yet. The last time I'm gonna do a haul because that's kind of insane. So yeah, and if you guys are new to this channel, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Anyways, I hope that you guys continue on watching to see what I got. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing I went to was $5 and below, which everyone wanted me to try on my video last time. It was like a long time ago. If you guys don't remember that video, I'll put it down below, the vlog, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. So if I don't upload it, like if I don't put it in the description right away, it might be the next following day. So I went to TJ Maxx, and oh my gosh, you guys should definitely go to TJ Maxx because you guys will be shocked what you see in this video. So okay, the first I'll do is $5 and below because that's where I got most of my items are. I'm gonna show you guys is this cactus iPhone case. I've been wanting to take it out, but I just I was waiting for the video. So I'm just gonna open it. So this is what it looks like, the iPhone case. It's like a little cactus. And it's really cute how they have like the little box like this. And the next thing is mostly makeup now. So I'll show you guys this video. If I should do like, actually yeah, give this video a like if you want me to try all of this, $5 below makeup in my next video. So I know that you guys are interested. So I got from there is this Profusion. It's like a booklet. And it's called Beauty 101. So when you open it, it looks like this. So the first thing you'll see is like the eyeshadows. And this side is like more like highlighters or something like that, I would say. And then the little blush and like I would say it's a contouring, but it's not really a contouring. I feel like it's like more like a powder foundation, if you know what I mean. The lipsticks right here. I think it has like this it has this like mirror right here, which you guys can see, and then it has like all the directions what you can do. So there's a lot of shimmers, and I got this for $5. Let's see how good it is. And the next thing that I got from the $5 and below is this one. It's the Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. It's like a glowing one, and the color is 320 Catwalk Pink. From there is the Wet n Wild. It's like an eyeshadow palette, but I always look if there's anything, And then it has all the colors in here, and it tells you like where to put it and stuff like that. It's called Eyeshadow Collection. So yeah, from Wet n Wild. So it's glitters and then all that stuff. Blush. I like Wet n Wild, so I trust their brand. So we'll see if this one works too. I think this is probably cheaper in their store. That I got is the Profusion Studio Contour. The last video that I showed you guys was the other one, which is the gold one, and I really liked that one a lot. So I kind of trusted to buy this one because maybe it will do the same. It kind of reminded me of the Anastasia, the I think it's like the Pro Glow palette. I'm not sure. I'll put it up like right here if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. It looks like this. So yeah. Has all the contouring and everything like that, and all the shimmers, like maybe the blushes, maybe the highlighting. And then that's pretty much what I got from $5 and below. And then I'm going to show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx. So from TJ Maxx, I got the Too Faced glitter palette. Can you guys believe this shit? Oh my goodness. So this is what I got from there. I promise I got this from there. So this is like the box, and it says TJ Maxx right there. Yes, I got it from TJ Maxx, and this is what it looks like. Yep, it's not fake, it's real. It was not damaged at TJ Maxx, so I was pretty happy about that, and I'm lucky that like nobody saw it, because I feel like if someone did, people probably bought it by now. And then the next thing that I got is another Too Faced, and this is the Cat Eye eyeshadow palette. So it's pretty cute. This was $12.99 at TJ Maxx. If you guys saw the website from Too Faced, like these, they're like originally $34, and the other Too Faced, which is the glitter one, is $44. So that's a pretty good steal, guys. This one, it looks like this. Open it up. It has all the eyeshadows, and then I guess it's like more like a shimmery, maybe blush, but I can use it as an eyeshadow as well. Mostly everything I can use as an eyeshadow if it looks like you know, the instructions. So it's pretty cool. Wow, look at this, guys. Like that. I love Too Faced. I love them. Looks like this. They have like the nice mirror. So it's just like the mirror. And yeah, looks like. And then the next thing that I got from there, from TJ Maxx, is this brush set. It's the Silah brush set. So yeah, it looks like that. It's like more of like a uniform brush. I've been needing new brushes because I'm going to throw out some old brushes that I don't need anymore. So it's pretty awesome. Pretty much in my haul. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to try anything out in the video or anything like that. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe like always. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.